Hey guys, welcome back to yet another interesting video of Howlogical, and in this video I am going to show you how to undo your actions in Google Keep. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to undo your actions, you just simply have to open your Google Keep application at first, and after that just simply perform any actions into here. For example, let's say I'm deleting this notes into my Google Keep, and just after doing that, as you can see here, I've got this message that note moved to bin. Now if I want to undo, just simply tap into this undo button, which will directly show after doing any task into your Google Keep. And as you can see here, after tapping into there, my deleted note is back again. This way you can easily undo any actions of yours into Google Keep. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.